One of the biggest gainers of the year is Theta Token, posting at its peak this year 800% gains before falling sharply the last few weeks. Is Theta out of gas, or does it have more fuel in the tank? Find out today as we analyze this project with a unique use case to find out if it's still a moonshot. Let's get it. What if I told you could buy one token and make daily passive income from multiple dApps and crypto platforms? And what if that token only had a 20,000 max supply ever? I bet you'd buy it. I know I did. Check out powermind.club and tell them BitBoy sent you. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. If you would like daily crypto videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn more about crypto or trading, then please make sure to join one or both of my Telegram chats, the Bit Squad or Bit Squad Traders. Today, we're going to be looking at Theta. This project hit hyperdrive this year after sitting in an accumulation zone for a while. It has now came back down to earth, but is it still done running, or can it still make you rich? To find out, let's examine Theta Token, which is actually a coin. As a matter of fact, I think we need to just drop all delusions of the differences between a coin and a token, just make those words interchangeable. It's called Theta Token because that's the name, but it's actually a coin because it has a mainnet, and we wonder why people get confused in crypto. But Theta is a decentralized video delivery network, powered by users running on a dedicated blockchain known as a Theta network. Its value proposition is to reduce the cost of content delivery networks by effectively creating a mesh network of shared content. Initially launched as an ERC20 token on Ethereum, Theta started its mainnet in March 2019. Since then, Theta has acquired some of the biggest partnerships in blockchain, which we will discuss a little bit later in this video. Theta Network aims to create a more efficient way to deliver content in a global peer-to-peer mesh network. Tokens on the Theta blockchain are used to encourage individual users to share their idle computing power and bandwidth resources as caching or relay nodes for video streams. The design aims to improve the quality of stream delivery and solves the last mile delivery problem, which is the main bottleneck for traditional content delivery pipelines, especially so for high resolution, high bitrate, 4K, 8K, and next generation level streams. With sufficient network density, the majority of users will pull streams from peering caching nodes, allowing video platforms to significantly reduce content delivery network or CDN costs. By introducing tokens as an end-user incentive mechanism, the Theta network aims to allow video platforms to deepen viewer engagement, drive incremental revenues, and differentiate their content and viewing experience from their competitors. Theta uses a two-token model with the following use case. Theta Token Utility. Validator nodes are in charge of block production. Guardian nodes are in charge of block finalization. Both can stake Theta tokens and can earn T-Fuel, which is the second token in Theta's ecosystem, as a reward. Theta is the governance token of the protocol, so it represents a voting share on protocol decisions, upgrades, and more. T-Fuel is used as the gas of the Theta protocol and is used to pay for transactions and smart contract deployment and operations. It is also the currency of microtransactions for users to pay relayers for videos shared with them. Theta Network leverages three core features on its technical side. Modified BFT consensus mechanism. This modified BFT consensus mechanism allows thousands of nodes to participate in the consensus process, while still supporting more than 1,000 plus transactions per second. Off-chain pool for micropayments. This is a system that relies on a set of Guardian nodes to keep a signature through the partial aggregation of signatures from its neighbors before sending out the aggregated signature. It allows the signature share of each node to reach other nodes at an exponential rate while keeping the communication overhead small. Aggregated Signature Gossip Scheme. Built for video streaming purposes, it allows users to benefit from off-chain micropayment pool. Here's a bit more technical data on how Theta operates. Data delivery. Initially focused on video delivery, it's also implemented on Theta.tv and multiple other video platforms coming soon. But the scope of decentralized data delivery goes beyond video into file updates, game patches, OS and app updates, along with web content and other forms of data delivery. As Theta expands from live streaming applications to video on demand or VOD, app updates, and game patches, it becomes necessary to have a decentralized solution to data storage. Theta nodes can cache the most in-demand live and static content and files to ensure they are able to contribute to the network and earn T-Fuel. By allowing Theta nodes to perform, ingest, and encode raw video and data as close to the source as possible, particularly for live events like sports, concerts, and conferences, the Theta network will truly become an end-to-end solution for video and data. Building out this functionality is a natural extension for the Theta team, based on the team's experience encoding live VR events in 2016 for Samsung VR, Intel IEM, ESL, and others. Theta has also released Theta Live Embed, a new turnkey product that allows 24/7 Theta.tv esports live streaming content to be added to almost any website, blog, or social media platform with minimal technical effort through iframe and a few lines of JavaScript. Now, what about those partnerships mentioned earlier? Theta has partnered with Google for nodes as well as websites and organizations such as G Fuel, Alt Customs, Sizzle Popcorn, Eastern Media GG, Sweeps, Vast, God Mode Unlocked, Cruise Control, JSCO Hub, MBN, CJ Hello Silver.tv, Binance, Blockchain Ventures, Gummy Cryptos, and Zetatic. Theta also has one of the biggest partnerships in the cryptocurrency space, a deal with Samsung to launch the Theta app across 75 million Android smartphones worldwide with a pre-install in Galaxy S20 phones. Theta also just recently launched its Mainnet 2.0 this year. Theta explained the completion of the Theta Mainnet 2.0 platform upgrade, saying that the network has improved massively. Theta's statement read, "Community-run Guardian nodes will now take a direct role in block production, finalizing blocks at regular 100 block intervals and making up the second layer of defense after the validator nodes that produce each block. With Guardian nodes joining the network with staking, no single group or entity will control the majority of Theta staked, marking a significant milestone toward Theta's decentralization." Theta also recently hosted several successful live events like Consensus by CoinDesk, Virtual Blockchain Week, and Crypto Asia Summit. Let's jump in now to price predictions. As we all know, that's what you came here for. TradingBeast.com believes that the price of Theta has the potential to almost 2x by the end of this year. However, they believe the price will most likely only go to about 50% higher than it is today. WalletInvestor.com believes that the price of Theta is much more conservative and will go up 50% at the max, with it most likely staying at the same price by the end of the year. Digital Coin has one of the more bullish predictions, as they believe Theta has the chance to increase about 250% by the end of the year. Crypto Rating, though, is extremely bullish on Theta, with their deep learning algorithm prediction stating that the Theta price will be at almost 50 cents in the next 6 months. Analysis of the cryptocurrency market shows that Theta token may almost be $1 by the 1st of January next year, driven by the potential interest from large institutional investors and more regulation expected in the field of digital currencies. The system predicts that Theta will stay around 54 cents in 2021, $1 in 2022, $1.80 in 2023, $3.54 in 2024, and a shade over $7 in 2025. Marcus Kramer, a blockchain consultant and a Bitcoin writer on Quora, called Theta the blockchain decentralized version of YouTube/Twitch/Netflix. He said, but no wonder. Theta has very, very strong fundamentals with a $16.5 million in revenue 1 year ago already. I'm looking forward very much to buy in a month or so once it has fallen back down again. Long-term, Theta is also extremely promising as it is the decentralized Twitch, YouTube, Netflix after all. A breakout into record price highs has seen Theta tokens increase in value by 4-figure percentages since the mid-March Black Thursday crypto market crash. So, do I think that Theta has even more juice left and can it rally even higher? Absolutely. With partnerships with companies such as Google and Samsung, advisors with close ties to YouTube, Twitch, and others, Theta is poised to be a game-changing cryptocurrency. In the marketing advising team, Theta has YouTube co-founder Steve Chen and Justin Kan, co-founder of Switch, who strongly believe Theta Network will be one of the best things in video streaming and can match the same innovation, which both companies succeeded in. As such, Theta should be a top pick for anyone looking to start a cryptocurrency portfolio. So what about T-Fuel? Well, I wasn't able to find any credible price predictions for T-Fuel besides Wallet Investor's AI-based algorithm, because it's just too new of a cryptocurrency, honestly. However, T-Fuel is a staking cryptocurrency, and as I've said time after time again on this channel, staking cryptocurrencies are the future. Staking T-Fuel would reduce the amount of T-Fuel being traded on the open market, and theoretically, such an action would cause the price to go up due to supply and demand dynamics. Staking is fueled by scarcity. Wallet Investor said T-Fuel is a good long-term or 1-year investment. They added, if you're looking for virtual currencies with good return, T-Fuel can be a profitable investment option. You can also get Theta on Crypto.com, the pioneering payments and cryptocurrency platform, which if you watch me often, you know how bullish I am on MCO and CRO. You also know my thoughts on Crypto.com potentially being the next Google or Amazon of the blockchain space. and possibly replacing Binance is the most likely company to do so. If you want to check out the Crypto.com card, you can get $50 for free with the code BitBoy. Just visit mcocard.bitboy.live to check it out. But in the same way that I think MCO and CRO could become the next Google or Amazon, I think Theta could be the next YouTube or Twitch, with an emphasis on Twitch, since Theta is heavily invested in the gaming sector. And let's be honest, YouTube probably won't have any strong competition in the near future, but I feel like Twitch is definitely vulnerable when it comes to streaming. They haven't separated themselves enough from the field, in my opinion. I mean, your average adult in 2020 still has no idea what Twitch is, and they don't use it. What I'm saying is that it is not yet firmly implanted in the ethos of internet culture enough to have a monopoly like YouTube has. So watch out for Theta to take a big percentage of the streaming market in the future. But now it's your turn. What do you think about Theta? Can it be the next big video platform and compete with Twitch, or is it going to be a flop? Let me know by dropping a comment below. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.